Hey there, Dr. Rob the Car Doctor, and today's video is all about how to sell diagnostics with ethics and telling a story. So as always, I want to share that I appreciate my wife. We're down here at the Oregon coast on Saturday decompressing. So first, Christy, I wanted to thank you for your support, allowing me to be Dr. Rob the Car Doctor that raises respect and trust in auto repair and allows me to work on the weekends too. That's how dedicated I am. So, and the second thing I want to do is give a shout out to my computer guy that has allowed me to work remotely from my auto repair shop. So thank you, brother. I appreciate that. So let's jump right into it. So one of the common misconceptions is that customers do not want to pay for diagnostic time more than an hour. That is absolutely not true. Here's a good customer that has known me for several years, knows I'm Dr. Rob the Car Doctor. He has 2 or 3 problems, and he basically said, Rob, keep it for as long as you want, and perform the level 2 diagnostics, which is the next step to go. So the very first thing I want to show you, another highlight too, is how I've done that, gained that respect, is I use bolt-on technology. It's basically a program that allows you to take pictures, videos, write your notes, and if you take the time to do that, it does take some time, technicians and owners, but if you take the time to do that, to tell the story, your customers will love it absolutely. Prime example, this same week, not to get off subject, but you got to hear this. We had a car that came in, needed about $1,500 worth of repairs for just the critical stuff. And the customer pretty much said, I want to fix everything in red right off the bat. So bolt-on technology, keep up the great work, guys. I want to work with you more, help educate other shop owners, stuff like that. So quick shout out to them. So here it is. Basically, we're at 2 minutes already, so I want to keep this short. You'll see I put the story here, and then here's my recommendation. And then the last thing I want to show you is an actual video. The main problem with this Honda Chuckles is overheating, very common problem. And the customer even said, oh, I've had friends tell me it could be a head gasket, which is very common, but his head gasket is fine. It's actually a problem with the electric cooling fans. And here is a video my good tech made showing part of that story. So check this out.
When jumping the coolant temp switch for the fans operate.
So between that, he had misfire codes too. All right, try to close this. Let's open up this for you so you can see my story. So yeah, tell the story. The customer sees that. Kind of hard to get the mouse with the video in my hand. Here's scan for codes. He has multiple problems in this vehicle. Overheating, misfire conditions, making noise in gear, and shifting motors moving too much. So the last thing I want to say is what I do as the car doctor is I break those complaints down. So the electric cooling fan situation is going to be the level 2 because we really have spent a lot of time on that. So I'm going to go back to him and say, hey, brother, good news. Your head gasket is fine. It's a problem with your electric cooling fans. And by telling the story and the videos, he's going to love it. And we're going to fix that first and go from there. So that's pretty much it. Dr. Rob the Car Doctor wanted to shoot a cool video on how I use bolt-on technology to share a story, pictures, videos. Customers love it, and it will allow you to be the trusted car doctor if you take the time to use this stuff. So we're at 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Good enough for me. Dr. Rob the Car Doctor, over and out. Take care.